Florida A&M's athletic director Angela Suggs is now out on bond after being charged with grand theft and fraud Monday.
I'm Alberto Camargo, your College Town neighborhood reporter, taking a look at the details of the charges and what it means for FAMU.
The Florida Department of Law Enforcement announced that Suggs turned herself in Monday. The charges: 1 felony count of grand theft, 1 felony count of scheme to defraud, and 4 misdemeanor counts of false claims on travel vouchers. FDLE says these charges involve her time with the Florida Sports Foundation as president and CEO. Investigators say Suggs misused her FSF-issued credit card to make wire transfers and personal purchases at casinos. Those charges totaled more than $24,000. Investigators say she coded the purchases as meals and failed to repay the foundation. Suggs left FSF in September 2024 to take the AD role at FAMU, replacing Tiffany Dawn Sykes. FDLE says it opened the investigation into Suggs in November. Even though the charges do not involve FAMU directly, the conversations among alumni are quick to point out that this is not the kind of attention FAMU needs right now. Quote, "Whether she's guilty or not, we need a break from our name being attached to negative news. I realize this doesn't involve FAMU, but how our reputation has diminished with things like this is truly heartbreaking and sad." I reached out to FAMU to find out to what extent leadership knew about the investigation and whether Suggs was still in the job. In a statement, FAMU interim president Dr. Timothy Beard said, quote, "Florida A&M University is aware of the allegations involving our athletics director Angela Suggs while she was working with a former employer. While the matter is unrelated to her duties as an employee at FAMU, we are monitoring the situation and will respond in the future as appropriate." Court records show Suggs bonded out of jail Monday afternoon.
FDLE says the investigation remains active. At FAMU, Alberto Camargo, ABC 27.